Hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make carrot oil. As you can see, I'm grading my carrots. I used 3 large carrots for this. Yeah, I'm done grading. I'll be heating the carrots using coconut oil which I made. Yeah, as you can see, infusion is taking place. As you can see, the carrot is being infused into the coconut oil. Yes, I'm done heating the carrot and I brought it down so that it can get cold for some minutes, and I will be using a strainer to strain the carrot oil. To get my oil, I'm using a strainer, and after that I use a sieve to still sieve it so that my content will be very neat and light. Yeah, I'm done sieving it, and yeah, this is my carrot oil. Yes, I'll be adding vitamin E, 3 vitamin E, because it's good for the skin. You can apply it on your skin. It moisturizes your skin and glows your skin. Thanks for watching.